All right, so I cut the plastic already a little bit. That is the thing of beauty right there. Brand new ice cold beer. Looks exactly like the old one so far, except brand new. It's got the Taito, or Tato, however the hell you call it, logo on it. That's about the easiest unboxing I've ever done. I'm going to unhook the phone and show you around a little bit. So we're walking up on it. Really, really, really pretty. It's got the little marks on the glass. You can see it's got LED lights in there. Next thing to do is to move it into the game room and turn it on. Look at that beautiful artwork. I like it. One thing I wanted to mention is the keys are on the top back right there where I ripped it open. And then you got to pull out the coin box, and there's a bolt in the back there and then one bolt in the front up here. You have to pull out to get it off of the pallet. Alright, so I moved it into the game room. I haven't moved it into place yet, but I'm wondering if there's a ball in it. I did not open the back yet, so we're doing that together. Yeah, there's no instructions for unpackaging the machine, which isn't a deal breaker. Maybe there's a ball already in it. Let's fire it up. All right, so I got it in its space and we are firing it up together for the first time. I'm gonna zoom out. The only thing I don't like so far is the switch is way the hell back here in the way back. So if you got it up against a wall or behind a bunch of games, it's hard to get to. Oh, power. And it's on. All right, let's see if it'll fire up a game. I don't even see where to do that. But it's on now. That's good. It's got one of these fancy coin mechs. See if there's a service button. No service button. Let me figure out how to fire it up. I just couldn't see the switch, but it's right down here. So I'm just gonna flick it. I haven't played one yet. There's a ball in it. I'm doing this with one hand. Got it. All right. Is that it? Oh, okay. What's it doing? That's strange. Let's put in number 2. Alright, this is really hard one-handed. Ah! Missed it. Controls are really fast. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing on a tripod and play it for you also. Alright, so the first problem is I got it all the way up to here, and then it got stuck between the glass and the playfield, so you can see where it kind of indented it. And now the ball has fallen all the way down there. I'm not really sure how to get it at this point. I don't know if you can tell, but since that ball got stuck, now my rod is bent. I bet it's not going to open up properly. That's a fail. That's a really, really big fail. I'm going all the way down. Yeah, it's still working. Oh, you hear it strain? I'm gonna have to go in and try and straighten that thing out. And the ball now has fallen into this hole down here. I don't know where it went after that. And the game is not timing out. I don't know. So to get the glass out, there's 2 latches underneath, and you'd think it would be just lift right here, but no. I have to go get a screwdriver and take out 1, 2, 3 screws right here. Pop this bar off, and then I'm assuming the glass will come out. I'll let you know how that goes. I'm gonna try to straighten this bar back out a little bit. Okay, that did it. Yep. What I said right before that gets the glass out. You have to lift it out from the top, actually. So I figured I'd just show you what's under here while I had the glass off. I'm gonna try to bend this without breaking it. Bend it back like it was. It's unfortunate that we have a little ding in there now. But anyway, there you have it. All right, so I got the glass back on. I did straighten it out pretty good. So let's flip in a credit and give it another shot. Ah. Whoa. Let's see, let's go for the 8. Ah. Alright, it's my last ball. Let's just get it in something. Pretty cool. Couple of thoughts I'm gonna give you real quick. Alright, so a couple of thoughts. One is, I don't see a manual anywhere. Supposedly this thing is Bluetooth, or you can get online, or maybe both, I don't know. Because there's no manual. The other thing is, I don't think it plays exactly like the last one. Maybe I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong. But if you leave it idle with the ball like you're thinking about where you want to go, it seems like it wants to nudge it. Let's try it. And I don't know if you can put it on free play, because I don't have a manual. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to just kind of get it up here into this blank spot, and then I'm going to let it go, man, like I'm thinking about where I want to put it. Alright, whoa. Alright, so now I'm just kind of thinking about where I want to go. Did you see it nudge? Put it right in the hole. I don't know if that's normal. Is that normal? One more time, let's try it. Alright, so I'm up here and I'm thinking about where I want to go. Oh, I sunk it. Let's try it one more time. Alright, I'm just going to leave it right here a minute. Now where do I want to go? Number 4, number 5, 6. Oh, it nudged it again. Number 4, 5. I don't know where I want to go. Let me think about this. See it doing that? Don't know if it's supposed to do that. Maybe. Anyway, I'm going to look around, see if I can find a manual. I don't see it inside, but let me dig around. make sure I'm not missing something, and then I'll figure out how the Bluetooth works. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. I like it. I like it a lot. It does play a lot like the other one. It's faster, in my opinion, a little bit faster. It's very clean. The controls are very smooth, very sensitive to your touch. I love the fact that it's LEDs, although you can LED the old ones, obviously. I've owned both of them. Actually, I've owned all three of them. I've owned the ice version as well. I don't know if it's got the bands because I haven't taken the cabinet apart enough to really tell. But I love the fact that it's easy to get parts for. The quality, the cabinet seems great. Yeah, I mean, overall, it's great. It's just like the old one, but better. Obviously, I've had a hiccup with the ball getting stuck. I'm sure that was random. Next time I'll know to back off. But if it's in an arcade environment, those people are just going to push it forward and they're going to bend up your playfield, probably bend your arm, like what happened to mine. Obviously, it straightened out pretty well, but you know, nobody wants to do that with a brand new game. I like it. I'm excited about it. I can't find the manual. I did go on my phone and I did turn on Bluetooth, and I can't find anything under Bluetooth related to this game. I did go online, can't find a manual. I did go to their Facebook page, people that made this, sent them a message. Somebody did text me back. This was a couple days ago because I told him I had one coming, and he told me to call him or text him on his direct number, which he gave me, and I did just try to call him. No answer. So I'm about to send him a text message and just kind of ask about the manual, how it works online, if you can set it to free play, which, you know, free play is important to me. I don't want to open it up and flip coins in there the whole time. Or see what the deal is. I don't know. Play online. I understand maybe you can play online and get competitive with other people and that kind of thing. That would be cool. I thought that was what was supposed to happen. I'll have to look at the website again and make sure I'm not wrong, but I like it a lot. You should get one.